Hello everyone. Start off by taking this container and then cut out one side of it. Then make two windows onto it. Add multiple threads on all around it and then stick it using a hot glue gun or any other sort of glue. Then line the windows as such as well. Add grills to it. Make a conical shape out of some cardboard paper and then stick it at the top. Add some more thread to the top of it and add a little knob. Untie the thread at the top to make it look all the more better. Add some light underneath it and then turn it on in the dark to make it look like this. Next, we'll be making this lantern. In order to do so, start off by taking a container, add glue in this container and then add some water to it. Mix it up and then take multiple sheets of tissue. Then add your glue and water mixture to this tissue and then using a paintbrush apply it onto a sheet. Now add flowers all over it as such. Now add tissues and glue and water on top of it once again. Let it dry. Now once you have let it dry, add a little cardboard piece of paper that is white in color on it. Make a shape out of it as such. Then take multiple wooden sticks, cut it up into a certain shape. Add glue to these sticks and then stick your paper to it as such. Make this for all four of the sides and then make a frame out of it. Now stick it all together and then add a lantern in the middle once you are done. You may also add some fairy lights. Use a hot glue gun in order to do so. Add a little top to it as well. Don't forget to add the top. Now switch it on in the dark. Next, take some cardboard paper, take multiple wooden sticks and then cut the wooden sticks onto the same size. Line it with some board, that is, line the board with it and then add wooden sticks on top of it as such. Add it to the side as well to make it look like a fence and then add your house to it. Add little pots to it as well. Add little lights all around as well to make it look all the more better. Next, take a rectangular yellow sheet of paper and then on this, begin to draw on it. Draw a flower on it. Draw multiple petals of different kinds and then draw large leaves as well. These are water plants. After you are done with this, make sure that you outline them dark and in the right colors. Now, once you are done outlining them and make sure that you do all of them, you may slowly begin to color the rest of it as well. Slowly begin to peel it out according to the cuts that you have made. Now, take a circular shape and then frame it according to the circular shape. You may stick a base to it as well. Add a lantern or a light in the middle and then turn it on in the dark. You may also hang it up on any sort of tree. Thank you for watching.